What's up, YouTube? So today I'm gonna be showing this boy how to cook. Yo,
I know how to cook.
So today me and my brother are gonna be cooking chicken Alfredo. Well, I'm gonna be teaching him how to cook chicken Alfredo.
I know how to cook.
I already know how to cook. So
I know how to cook.
First things first, wash your hands. You always have to wash your hands before you start. For this recipe, we're gonna need chicken cutlets, carrots, our seasonings, heavy cream, which is optional, you don't really need it, the Alfredo sauce, fettuccine noodles. I usually use panini noodles, but I'm trying to, be a little fancy today, so I'm gonna use fettuccine. And you're also gonna need a bell pepper and a red pepper and an onion for flavor. So first, you're going to put water. You're going to put water in that pan or pot.
Pot.
You're gonna put water in the pot so we can bring that water to a boil for our fettuccine noodles. So you're gonna add some olive oil so that the noodles don't stick together. Go ahead. Not a lot.
Oh, really?
A little more. Okay. Papa. So this is what I want you to do. You're gonna take the chicken, open both packs, dump it in here, right? Mm-hmm. Then you're going to clean it you could clean it with salt water or lemon juice or vinegar, whichever works for you. Mm-hmm. So go ahead and do that. And clean it in cold water, not hot water. Now you're gonna take the chicken and you're gonna dice it up into little cubes.
Cubes?
Yeah. This way it's easier to cook.
Now life and achieve it. Listen to me keenly. Love me L-I-F-E until it left me. Me I go and keep happy and I pray to Father God say old age catch me. Me I beg your Father bless me, guide and protect me. For every wrong move when me making on the streets correct me. None of we don't know where tomorrow might bring, cause the future the hours away. So me I live my life today. Me I live my life today. Yeah, so long me make me talk what I want to talk. Me have enough to say. So me gonna live my life today. Me gonna live my life today. So everybody else just sing it out. Oh, I love my life.
So now we're going to season our chicken. We're going to be using
paprika.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead. I'm not doing anything. Darius is gonna do this. Come on, Papa, you got this. That's enough. On to the next.
Adobo.
Darius. Okay.
And last but very not least, the complete seasoning. Ties it all together.
Okay. Now mix it all together with your hands. With love, Darius. With love. Yeah. Ooh. Yes. Yeah. So now we have our big pan, and we're gonna add some olive oil in there. Go ahead, Papa. Okay. Now you're gonna wait for that to get hot, and you're gonna cook down the onions and peppers that we've cut up. Well, that I cut up. So right now our water has come to a boil. So we're going to put the fettuccine noodles in there. Well, Papa's gonna put the fettuccine noodles in there. Now our oil is hot, so we're gonna be adding our onions and peppers. And I added some carrots on there, for your veggies. So now we're going to add the chicken. We're going to add the spinach while the chicken is cooking because spinach does not take that long to cook down. So now we already added our Alfredo sauce. So we're gonna let that get warm with the chicken. And I like to add some heavy cream. It makes the sauce taste a little thicker and more rich. If you don't have heavy cream, you could substitute it for milk. And also, like, if you season your food and say it's too salty, milk and heavy cream will help make all the flavors blend together again.